Hello guys, my name is Jabidan and today I will show you how to install a custom theme on Windows. I'm on a virtual machine, but this method works for your main Windows PC. Now as you can see here, this is an unpatched Windows. Now keep in mind guys that this method only works on Windows, not just any version of Windows. This method only works on Windows version 1703, 1703 or 1703 to up to 2009. I'm on the version 2004, so that should be good. Remember, the only Windows version that supports this kinds of modification is Windows version 1703 and 2009. Okay, as you can see here, let us download the essential part of our setup. Here there's two things you need to download: Old New Explorer and UX Theme Patcher. Now keep in mind that the Old New Explorer came on the RAR file, meaning that you have to extract it. You can use any extraction software, whether it will be 7-zip or WinRAR. I might choose WinRAR. Now as you can see here, I already installed WinRAR. Let's go ahead and extract the RAR file, shall we? Here, this is the Old New Explorer. Extract file. As you can see here, don't run this yet, you must run this Ultra Theme Patcher. Now as you can see here, it usually asks you to reboot, but if it didn't ask you to reboot, then you can go ahead and reboot your system by yourself. Oh yeah guys, just for a quick reminder, before you install, you can see that the Ultra UX Theme Patcher automatically detects which version of Windows 10 you are currently using. Here it detected that I'm using the Windows version 2004 version. Now as you can see here, whatever you do not disturb this. So yeah, this is just a quick reminder. Now as you can see here, after you patch your system using the UX Theme Patcher, extract the Old New Explorer RAR file and run. Now the behavior part check, and you can ignore all of this. And look, unless you know what you are doing, leave this alone. Okay, it's already installed. Now the next thing you want to do is find your theme, download it, and move it to the theme folder. Now here I have an example for you. This is my all-time favorite, the Arc theme. Now let us download this, shall we? But first I have to log in. Now as you can see here, I have successfully logged in. Click watch. Now after that, you can go ahead and click download. You just have to wait. It's really heavy though. Now as you can see here, the theme is already downloaded. Again, extract the theme. After you extracted the theme, go to the theme folder and copy the whole theme content. Remember, every theme provider usually create a folder to store all of those themes. So yeah, copy all of those content to the theme folder, the Windows theme folder. As you can see here, it's basically simple. Here I will type in the directory Windows /resources /theme. Here it is, the theme folder. Now paste all of those content. As you can see here, we are done. Now go to the settings, open up settings, go to the personalization. Sorry for the grammatical error, I'm just too tired, can't spell right. Go to the theme and scroll down. As you can see here, here it is, our custom theme. Now if you install a different theme, then you should see your installed theme. I can't try it because I'm on the virtual machine, but I'm pretty sure it will work on your main operating system. Yeah. Now as you can see here, that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will deliver more content in the future. Goodbye.